Hi friends, welcome to Hues and Strokes. So today we are going to see part 2 of calligraphy. So just remember one basic rule, that is thin up and thick down. Just remember this as a formula where you can use it for all the strokes for calligraphy. So thin up and thick down. Now let's see all the basic strokes. These are the 5 basic strokes: thin up, thick, down. Just enjoy writing the letters. What we're trying to do is faux calligraphy. It's like a meditation. You can enjoy each and every step. Just follow the rule. Only thing is thin up and thick down. So thin, thick. Keep going. You'll enjoy doing it. No need to be in hurry. Just follow. Keep following. My regular strokes are even more slower than what I do here. As slow as they are, your strokes are going to be perfect. Your work is going to be perfect. Just enjoy writing. We have covered all the basic strokes. 2 more to go. One more like this. And we have the last stroke here. Yes, and the last one, sorry, the last O stroke of calligraphy. Enjoy lettering. Thank you. Satisfying? Please comment below.